Hey everyone. In this video today, I'm going to show you how I create horizontal videos for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. Sometimes you have those videos that they just look better in a horizontal format. And when you go to crop them for a 9 by 16 mobile format, it just takes away so much of the video. In a clip like this, we have two large elk. They're large mammals. They're fighting. They're taking up almost a full horizontal frame. And when I go to crop this into a mobile format, when I do my auto reframe sequence, vertical 9 by 16, you're going to see here, it just cuts out so much of the body of the elk and just kind of ruins the video. So here's what I would do to fix this. When you're in your timeline, when you go to your video track here, if you hold down Alt on a PC, or I think it's Command on a Mac, and you click on the clip and you drag it up above, you're basically creating a copy of the video below. So you have two layers here of the same video, just one on top of the other. And you're going to leave it in vertical mode. But what you want to do is you want to scale the top layer back into the horizontal format here. So as you can see, the top layer is the full horizontal video playing over the vertical video underneath of it. So at this point, again, we have the horizontal video playing over the vertical video, but the background is very distracting. It just doesn't look great. So what we can do to fix that is if we come down over to our effects panel and we find the Gaussian blur, however you say it, we'll take that blur and we'll drag it into our background layer. So we want to take this to the middle track here, the bottom video layer, and we're just going to go ahead and click it, drag it in, drop it right on that background layer. And what we need to do then is now go up into our effects control and go under the blurriness property here. And as we crank that up, you can see it's going to completely blur out the background, and it's going to make that horizontal video pop. But when we play it, you can still see the remnants of the background video. It's still in sync, just makes it look a little bit more, it's a nicer effect and just makes the horizontal video pop out in the middle. So this is a quick video, just a quick tip, because I get a lot of people asking me about this. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching.